Hello, my name is Joseph Norton, and I'll be your instructor today, showing you how to create a SmartArt graphic. So you can see on your screen an example of a SmartArt graphic. This is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So this is going to be our final product of what we're going to make. Alright, so let's first define what a SmartArt graphic is. A SmartArt graphic is a visual representation of your information that you can quickly and easily create, choosing from among many different layouts to effectively communicate your message or ideas. By using SmartArt, you can present information in a structured way, providing your readers or learners visuals to help their learning process. It is also an easy way to summarize important information in a simple visual manner. SmartArt can also be used to establish a relationship between different pieces of information. Examples of how you can use SmartArt are to show a process, like the steps in a research project, create a list or organizational chart, and many others. Okay, so now that we've defined what SmartArt is and shown you some ways that you can use it, we're going to create Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So the first step of what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to insert a SmartArt graphic. So what you can do is either you can click in the text box, the SmartArt icon here, or I can go into Insert and I can find SmartArt. So let's click. Okay, so now it will bring you to this menu, and you can see that there's many different categories you can choose from. A list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture, or you can even go to office.com to find even more SmartArt graphics. So for this example, let's select pyramid, and then you'll see different layouts that you can choose from. So for Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we'll select basic pyramid. Alright, so here we go. Here is our SmartArt graphic. So you can see that on the SmartArt graphic, it's the word text. This is actually the area where you can type in the information that you would like to go in your SmartArt graphic. Or you can type it into your text pane on the left-hand side of your screen. So what you can do to make sure that our text pane can appear and disappear, you can go to the left hand corner and click text pane. It disappears, or I click it again and it appears. Or I can do it another way. I can click on this tab and it appears, then I click X and it disappears. Okay, so in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, there are 5 different steps. So that means we're going to have to add another shape. So the first step of what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the shape where I would like to add another shape. Then make sure I'm in SmartArt Tools and Design. And you can see in the left hand corner of your screen Add Shape. So let's click the arrow. And there's 4 options. Add Shape After, Add Shape Before, Add Shape Below, Above, Add Shape Below. So I want to add Shape After. So I'll click After. And I'll have to do it one more time. Alright, great. So now that we have all of our shapes necessary for Maslow's hierarchy of needs, let's get ready to change the colors. So make sure you click Design and Change Colors. And you can see I have many different options to choose from. If you scroll over using your mouse, you can preview what the color looks like on your SmartArt graphic. So for this example, I'll use the colorful range. So select, and I've changed the color of my SmartArt graphic. Alright, so the next I'm going to insert my text. So you can either do it by bringing out your text pane, or you can click on this tab here. Alright, so I'm going to type in my text. Okay, so self-actualization, esteem needs, belongingness, and love needs, safety needs, and biological needs. Okay, make sure that we spell everything correctly. Biological needs. Alright, so now that I have my basic information inserted into my SmartArt graphic, I'm going to want to add additional information in the form of bullets. So what I will do is I'll click the text and ensure that the box around the text is dashed. So again, make sure we're in the design for SmartArt tools, and I'll click add bullet. Okay, so now you see that my cursor is over here. I'll start typing in additional information for my learners. So personal growth and fulfillment. Okay, let's click the next one. Design, add bullet, achievement, status, responsibility. Okay, let's click the next one. I have my dashed line. Click add bullet, family, affection, relationships, and work group. Okay, I click the next one. Okay, make sure I'm design, add bullet, protection, security, order, law, limits, and stability. Okay, the last one. Make sure I'm design, add bullet. Okay, basic life needs. So air, food, drink, shelter, etc. Okay, so there you have it. We have filled in our SmartArt graphic, changed the color, added bullets, and inserted text. So thank you for watching, and please click like and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and the best of luck to you.